Amazing facts about human body. Brain. Your brain can store about 2.5 petabytes, that's around 1 million gigabytes. Enough to hold about 3 million hours of TV shows. Ear. Your ears never stop growing. Unlike most body parts, ears continue growing throughout your life due to changes in cartilage. Eye. Your eyes can distinguish about 10 million colors. Thanks to specialized cells called cones, your brain can interpret a stunning range of color shades. Nose. You can detect over 1 trillion smells, far more than the 10,000 once believed. Recent research shows the human nose is much more powerful. Heart. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping around 2,000 gallons of blood through your body daily. Liver. The liver can regrow itself. It's the only internal organ that can regenerate lost tissue. As little as 25% of a liver can regrow into a full liver. Stomach. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days, to prevent it from digesting itself. Your stomach regenerates its mucosal lining approximately every 3 to 4 days. Kidneys. Your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood every day, producing about 1.5 quarts of urine to remove waste and excess fluids. Skin. Human skin is the body's largest organ. It covers about 22 square feet, or an average adult, and makes up about 16% of your total body weight. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. It's even harder than bone and protects your teeth from decay. Isn't the human body incredible? From your brain storage to your ever-growing ears, there's a whole universe inside you. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.